Oh, that transmission. The flood. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Probably, actually. I have literally no idea
Aurora,
for
this is
videos,
Sunbeam
so
again.
I'm gonna just do this.
We just picked up a massive debris field at your location. I didn't know how many of you...
It's on
I
Mixer,
didn't
the
know.
stream saves.
We're now en route to your location. We're
I
gonna
know.
bring you home. Sunbeam out.
Okay, oh wait, they're coming right now?
What else can I say? The only time I parked a rig
Oh,
this
look at the
big
planet.
on a rock that small was in VR.
What is
And
that?
I blew it. It's a
Oh.
bad option, alright, but so are all the others.
Can I see the ship? Well, they're coming. I want to assume... Wait, really? No, I have a feeling they're gonna... What? That's what I said, right? It looks so weird. It looks like a drone. It looks like a drone. No, they were talking about the ship, right? So I was like, bro, did they send a drone to scout me out or something? Yeah, me too. I thought, first I saw the ship, then I saw it like moving weirdly, like a robot almost, and I was like, that's a drone, right? And then, no, it was not. Oh, titanium! Cool. Wait, no, that's not cool. I have some of that. I need food. I don't need, oh wait. I need personal tools. I don't need, wait, what if you make, no, okay, never mind. Wait, does stuff break? Does stuff break? Glass, okay. How do you make glass? Oh wait, I think I can make it. Oh, I can make glass! Yay! I can do it. I can make glass. I can make a flashlight now. Glass. There, I literally had all the tools I needed. I had all the stuff I needed. Wait, how do I put it into my hotbar? Oh, I can scan myself. Whoa, look at me.
Complete. Vital signs normal. Continuing to monitor.
I don't know, scan complete, vital signs normal, I'm okay. What did I just get rid of? No, not my knife, bro. Yes. I didn't want to do that. That would I get rid of. I still have my... Okay, I think I'm good, right? Okay. This is pretty cool. Okay, this is what I want to scan. Oh, what? What is this? What? Oh, wait, what? What? Huh? Looking for... Can I make it now?
New blueprint.
Sea glider.
Acquired.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. I don't think I have this level. I mean, I'd rather be fast. What if I go full speed ahead to the Aurora? Also, I'm confused as to why everybody died immediately when it crashed and not when it... Everybody died when it crashed. Yeah, what if somebody came out completely unscathed? No, nothing hurting. Wait, I need to make lubricant. Okay, I think I can actually make it. Probably not, actually. Oh, alien containment? What? How do I make copper wire? Oh wait, I'm all the way down. Okay. I need... Oh, I can make this. Okay. Okay. Swick. Resources, basic materials, lubricant.
Lubricant is
pretty,
essential in
pretty
construction
good.
of
Pretty good.
vehicles and power plants.
It's, yes, no, it's not okay anymore. I probably think I should save that for the end when I finish the game. Okay, but like, I don't think it's good to judge it as of now. I haven't experienced anything, right? Yeah, not much. Okay, how do I make the boyo again? The boyo. The boyo. I don't know. Oh, the floaty boy. The floaty boy. Sorry. The speed booster. That thing. The speed. The fast. The fast driver. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, I can make it. I just need one more thingy. How do I make a battery? Yeah, the sea glass. How do I make a? Okay. Copper and 2 mushrooms. I got that, right? I better have that. Okay, copper. Yes, I think I have it. Huh? Look it! I did it! I made the boyo! The
The
boyo!
Glide
The
will
glider!
increase your effective exploration range.
The boyo
For
yo-yo!
safety, please pack supplies for long journeys and stay within 5 kilometers of the nearest life pod or habitat.